Hello, I'm Edward Tarte, math teacher. This is one in a series of solution videos to some of my math challenges. This one being concerned with the challenge that I entitled, It's a Snap. Here is what I said in that original challenge video.
It is about some events that occur one after another at regular intervals, that is, at a steady rate. What events? Well, you can have your choice. It could be me snapping my fingers. It could be me clapping my hands. It could be a metronome that is set to beat regularly. So you get the idea and you can have your choice. Whatever you choose, I will call each event a click. Now there's a time frame for this puzzle. It is a 10-minute time frame beginning at exactly 12 noon and ending 10 minutes later at exactly 12:10. The first click will occur at exactly 12 noon. And I will now describe the steady rate. It will take exactly 5 seconds for 5 clicks to occur. Repeating, it will take exactly 5 seconds for 5 clicks to occur. Now I have 2 questions. First question, how much time will elapse from one click to the next? Repeating, how much time will elapse from one click to the next? And the second question, in this 10-minute time frame, beginning with the first click at exactly 12 noon, exactly how many clicks will take place from that instant until 10 minutes later, 12:10?
Well, a superficial interpretation of this challenge might be 5 clicks in 5 seconds. That's 1 click per second. That is not the case. I show that in this diagram where I have made a timeline of the first 5 elapsed seconds of the challenge. And I have put with that the clicks. Click number 1 occurring at the very beginning at second 0. Click number 5 occurring at the exact second number 5. You see there is not an alignment of 1 click per second. The interval of time between one click and the next is in fact 5/4 seconds, and that answers the first question. 5/4 times 4 equals 5 seconds. So the length of time between one click and the next is 5/4 or 1 1/4 seconds. That's the answer to the first question. Now the second question, the total number of clicks, can be answered this way. As we just saw, in 5 seconds, there are 4 click intervals. 10 minutes is 600 seconds. In 600 seconds, the question is how many click intervals will there be? 5 goes into 600 120 times. 120 times 4 is 480. So in these 600 seconds, the 10 minutes of the challenge, there will be exactly 480 click intervals. Does that make the answer 480 clicks? No. There are 480 clicks each at the beginning of one of those time intervals, but there is one additional click at the very end. And so that makes a grand total of 481 clicks. And that is the answer to the second question. Now, This puzzle relates to the one and only really controversial math challenge that I have among my math videos, and that is the one about the sheep jumping over a fence. If you haven't seen that, I invite you to watch that video and thinking about this one, try to decide whether what I say in that video makes sense. I am putting a link to that sheep jumping over the fence video below this one. And again, I invite you to watch it if you haven't already. Thank you for watching this video.